All right, since I was just happened to be in the neighborhood, this dumpster's been full for a while and it's still full. Can't believe it. Anyway, every time I come here, I'm just surprised that it's not been emptied. But every once in a while, I still find a little piece of metal here and there that I grab. So there's a couple things in here I can grab. Heck yeah, let's see what we got. A couple things in there. Not sure if I can get them out or not. I should. Vacuum. Little copper. And a nice bent rim. I've been wanting one of these pallets, just haven't been able to get them out. I like this, plastic, not wood. I like that. Got me a pallet. Put some stuff on, keep it off the ground. Plastic. Imagine if they just recycle that. Every Walmart you go to has shirts that say, this shirt was made out of 6 bottles. Well, imagine how many shirts they can make out of this. Told me he has a bunch of scrap down here he wanted to get rid of. Damn, I didn't know his property went back that far. Wow, I thought it was only like right here. Some lifting stuff here. Should be a couple hoods. The old battery. Might have to call them. Oh, over there. The other side. Behind his shed. Yeah, this is it right here. Everything here he said we could have. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? It's a beast though. I can't pick that up. That's heavy.
You ain't got enough room.
No, I have to get the other trailer.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm gonna go home and get my other trailer. If it's gonna stop raining, I might just come grab some of this stuff. It's gotta stop raining though. I gotta get something to carry that. That's heavy.
Dolly.
I mean, that's a heavy piece.
Yeah. Get Dolly foot.
Or I could just take that top off, motor. Pull that motor off.
Take it off.
Take that and that off.
Yeah, take it off.
That'd be a lot lighter though. That's where the weight is.
Yeah, but you take it, put a dolly up on it, you can drag it right out of here.
Dolly? I don't know if I have a dolly.
Probably dolly.
Huh?
What dolly you got?
Small.
Yeah. Just put your strap on it. I'm off right out of there.
That thing's a beast. I hope it stops raining. It looks like it's going to, but that's a lot of stuff right there. I can go straight to the scrapyard with that. Do not pass go. I mean, there's nothing here that's anything besides just scrap. I might have some aluminum, huh?
Plastic grill.
Plastic?
Yeah, grill is plastic.
What grill?
That one.
That's plastic?
Yeah, it's plastic.
No, we won't take that. No, I mean, I'm not going to take plastic. You said I could have all that. Awesome. I'll take it. What is it? The heck is that all about?
I don't know.
What are you reckon he uses that for?
I don't know.
I mean, it's just a wall. It doesn't have any holes in there for like climbing pegs or nothing like that.
No.
I have not got any. You put 4x4s on the backside and screwed it into the tree.
Yeah.
Look at that. I have no idea what that is. That's Big Dave for you. That's Big Dave. Welcome to the pit. Big Dave parking only. He's got his lawnmower there. Awesome. Well, look at the tires. Flips over and probably beats with a sledgehammer. You know what I mean?
You ain't flipped it in a while.
No, she ain't been flipping. He's a big son of a bitch.